In my opinion, Magnolia is the jewel of Eastern Fiore. But it shone much brighter when the Fairy Tale Guild Hall was part of the skyline. Strange to think it's been a year since we've walked these streets.
Does this bring back some memories or what?
Hey, look! They fixed up Cardia Cathedral!
The members we'd been able to find were all in favor of getting the guild back together.
It's so good to see everything's back to normal.
The town's always been resilient.
Yeah. After the fight with Avatar, our group needed to split up for a while, but we agreed to reconvene here in Magnolia.
I won't be long, but I need to report back to Jalal first.
Hey, Gaju. Could you not tell the council about us? Keep it hush-hush.
They wouldn't approve of us shacking up.
Give me a break! I mean me and Urza's mission!
We need to report back as well, but we'll meet you there ASAP.
Kinda thought working for the council was my true calling.
That is supposed to be a joke, right?
I bet old Woodface will be sad to see me go.
No, that one's definitely a joke.
I should arrest you for that!
No crime in being funny!
It's a shame, but I seriously doubt we're gonna get any information about Zera from those Avatar members. They worshipped him, but they didn't actually know him.
Is something wrong? You look sad. Aren't you glad to be back here?
Of course I am. I just kinda got lost in my memories for a second. Yeah, so many memories were made in this town. Some are sad, some are happy. Most of them still make me smile. I formed them with my fairy tale family. I was afraid after what happened last year, those memories would be all we had left.
Master, are you out of your mind? What's wrong with you?
I can't believe you wouldn't talk to us first! How will we put food on the table?
Yeah, we need money!
Tell us you're joking!
I am disbanding the Fairy Tale Guild, which means from this point on you must forge your own way forward. That's final.
I just can't accept this, Master!
You gotta realize that you're messing with our lives here! If you wanna quit so bad, why don't you just leave by yourself?
Yeah!
A real man never quits! Fairy Tale ain't going away!
I've made my decision, and Fairy Tale is no more. Hear me? You are never to speak its name again. Leave it in the past.
Makarov was gone before the shock could wear off. We were all in a daze. Eventually, everyone did have to start forging their own paths. As he'd said, just like that, Fairy Tale was over. We were left clutching those memories we'd shared.
Come on, Lucy, we're just about there.
Yeah, we're practically at the old guild hall.
I know. But honestly, I'm kinda too scared to get any closer.
Why? 'Cause the building's gone? That's the least important part of the guild. It's what's inside us that counts.
We all feel the same way about it. But everyone else? I mean, it was exciting when you showed up out of nowhere and talked about reviving the guild. So I let myself get fired up too. And right away, I sent out messages to everybody that had been in the guild, at least those I could find. No word from me for an entire year. And suddenly, I asked them to drop everything, come to Magnolia and rebuild Fairy Tale. Maybe they've done exactly what Master said and started making their own way through life. Maybe they've moved on. Are we the only ones who feel this way? What if they have put it in the past? What if they've forgotten about it altogether?
I know my memory's not that great, but it's only been a year.
Kana?
You're here.
What's up? It's so good to see you guys again. Wendy, I think you've grown a bit since last time.
No, not really.
And you're just as bouncy as always, Lucy.
Kana,
Not gonna lie, with all that happened, this has been an eye-opening year for me. I decided I'd try to track down my old man, so I was gonna take a trip. Can hardly believe I got your letter. What a lucky break. I imagine everyone else feels the same. The Guild's family. I've been a member ever since I was a little kid. So when Makarov decided to break it up all of a sudden, I was pretty lost. I had no idea how I was gonna make a living or who I could turn to. In a weird way, it helped put things into perspective. The whole situation was such a shock to all of us. It seemed like nobody had the stones to reach out. Or I should say nobody but you, Lucy. Good call. So come on. Everyone's waiting.
Yeah?
Looking good, Lucy! You are rocking that long hair! It's so awesome to see you guys!
When I got your letter, it made me really happy.
We heard Natsu caused a scene at the Capitol.
Hey, Wendy! We missed you and Carla around here!
Looking like a strupper there, Happy?
Certainly took you long enough.
Back in Magnolia. It feels good.
Warren!
You like the portable communication lacrima I built?
Nab!
He read your Sorcerer Weekly articles. And so did I.
Redis! Max!
Oui. Here in the flesh.
Alzak, Visca, and little Oscar!
Still such a beautiful and happy family.
Chet! Troy!
Team Shadow Gear is together again!
I had to leave the council for that to happen.
You were working for the Magic Council?
Makau, Wakaba, and Romeo!
Gonna have to lock you guys up for being chumps.
Lockie!
Digging the new hairstyle.
Beechster!
I'm guessing that's some kind of reunion dance.
Kinana!
She actually learned some magic.
I wasn't gonna miss this for the world!
Lasana! Elfman!
A reunion fit for a real man!
Lucy?
Mira! It's you!
Welcome back home.
I am home! It felt so natural for us to be together again. Like a real family. I was so happy. But the tears wouldn't stop. I missed you! Oh!
Guess what I found? A little ragged, but who cares? Our guild is back in action! Fairy Tail still rules!